It'll be fine. I mean, we shouldn't have to move your car. Just turn the ignition, obviously. If you're good, turn the steering wheel as much to the right. There's no power steering right now, so you're really gonna have to push it. Alright. I'm gonna slowly push forward, alright? Get ready to ride the handbrake and or the brake pedal. Brake.
You're fine, keep going.
Okay.
Alright.
All the way? Yep. That's cool. Good latch. This is harder than it looks. Okay, I'm gonna get some momentum here. Huh?
Rocket.
Oh, rocket.
No. Keep pushing.
That's, yeah.
Rocket.
Ah, my shirt. Okay, close the door. Oh, that helps tremendous.
Hold on.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Alright, so. Pushing it forward again. Yeah. Just try to push it more and straighten it out a little bit, I think.
There.
Try it to the left a little bit. Flop it actually. Not the greatest idea to do this in Crocs, but whatever. Why is this super heavy?
Still a car, Jacob.
I know.
Alright. Pause.
Yep.
Tell me when I'm doing this again.
Alright, keep going, keep going. Just straight.
Alright.
We're fine. Get ready for that handbrake soon. What's supposed to be not fine?
Jacob's fine.
Alright.
Fucking push.
We good? Hands are super dirty. Dun 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 dun. Yay. For however much footage I have or I'm going to make, this is not a tutorial. This cylinder head needs to come off to see if it has bent valves. Intake and exhaust manifold has to be removed. There's a little hole on the above the crankshaft pulley. You will not be able to see it from there, but there's a tiny hole to release the timing belts. I'm going to follow Chris Fix's April Fool's joke video because that's the best source I have to getting the cylinder head off and head gasket, and I got to drain the coolant, and this car is freaking low to the ground, and this is a project car for a reason. So next recording you'll see in this video, if I even decide to upload this. What the fuck is that? Let's see where we're at. Alright, car is up on the hydraulic jack and jack stand.
Sadness. I just have to deal with it.
Alright. The only way we can reuse this coolant is if we run it through coffee filters, which we do have, and I did do that with my car. So I can theoretically reuse it. Or if...
If you really want to.
Well, it depends on the coolant condition.
Yeah, I was about to say, is it gonna be good?
Where did you put my little yellow pliers?
I have everything over here.
You have all the yellow pliers? You have the yellow pliers over there?
Yes, I just told you I have everything.
Where? Oh. Thank you. Need that. That's pliers. Time to get down here and... Oh. Don't need that. God damn it. Damn it. Fuck. This and an 8mm. I think the 8mm fits this hose clamp. 8mm. I'm gonna borrow this. That's not the right side to put that on.
Oh, you're borrowing it right now?
Just for a moment.
I need to invest in a set of tools.
Alright. I'm going to give you this back with the 10mm on it. The die-hard wrench that is on that is not from the original tool set. That wrench broke, which is funny to me. Hose clamp can now be undone by hand down here. And it's gonna probably pour out slowly because I don't have the radiator cap off and
You want me to take the radiator
not
cap?
yet, not yet. One's coming out in 3, 2,
Like the coolant cap or the actual radiator?
radiator cap on that. Wait, don't do anything.
Okay.
Try to be careful and not make a mess. Take the radiator cap off, please.
Ah!
That's all of it? Nope.
I've got a lot of coolant.
That was not as much as I was expecting.
Wait, really?
I was expecting a lot more.
Oh, okay, see, I was expecting a lot more too.
I mean, it's still draining. That's a very little amount, actually. Fuck it. I mean, coolant's drained. I didn't make much of a mess on the floor, that's good.
Yes.
Just enough to make a little splash. I mean, it's seen better days. The seals will definitely need to be replaced, and RTV will definitely need to be used. Oh my goodness, this thing's disgusting.
It's 31.
I know. It's there right there. Let me get us a different shot of this.
Alright, we need to keep going. Alright.
Before we can loosen the head, we gotta take that off, we gotta take that off, we gotta undo the thing. Where's the time marks at? Unless they're on the other side.
They're on the other side.
God damn it.
Alright, Jacob.
Currently, exhaust manifold is off partially. Intake manifold, I think there's some bottom bolts I gotta deal with. Distributor's coming off. Here's the timing belts. I mean, I would not call that marked up at all. That's tight though. Oh my god, it's tight. And I think there's that little hole down there to feel the tensioner. Maybe I'll stick my finger in there, can I? That not a hole? Or is that? Oh, I hope I don't have to take the cover off. It's really ass. The coolant is probably just old. You know? Does the tube look like that? Not really. I mean, we're gonna have to do something with the cylinder head anyways. Right, so where exactly is this? Right? Can I access that? I'll try. I'm gonna leave this right here. Oh, hey, let me see your shifter linkage while I'm here. Actually, it ain't that bad. Not compared to Chris fixes, it ain't that bad. Oh, this seal needs to be replaced. Oh no, just everything's leaky. I'm just getting a good look under here while I'm down here.
Well, the valve cover was leaking, so.
Everyone knows.